Today I will guide you step by step on how to translate any web page in Google Chrome on your computer. First, I opened Google Chrome from my desktop. In the search bar, I type it and pressed enter. A web page opened showing a YouTube channel at the top of the results. Then I clicked the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the drop down menu, I selected Translate. A small pop-up appeared on the screen. I clicked the three dots on that a pop-up and then selected Choose another language. A list of available languages appeared. I selected one of them and clicked the Translate button. Within seconds, the entire web page was translated into my chosen language. To show it again, I repeated the same steps. Choose a different language and instantly the web page switched to that new language. This is how you can easily translate any website into your preferred language directly from Google Chrome. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss my next tech guide.